Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a pen that was suggested by a commenter on another video. And this is the, I'm probably going to say the name wrong. The name is rOtring, rOtring. So I'm going to go with rOtring. rOtring? I don't think it's rOtring. So rOtring. Maybe try that. So this is the rOtring Rapid Pro ballpoint pen, and feels like a pretty solid pen just from. Let's see how I can get it. Out of the box. Ooh, neat. All right, so we get some. We get a pen and some instructions. So, okay. So I can actually maybe manage to not destroy the packaging. Cool. Alright, so this is a German pen. And let's check out the instructions on this pen. Maybe we'll check out the instructions on the pen. Sometimes gloves are such a struggle. Alright. Wait, was I lied to? Is this not instructions? Alright. International and commercial limited warranty. 2-year limited warranty against defects, blah blah blah. And oh, it just shows other things in the rOtring line. Alright. So there's that. So first of all, it's really a solid pen. And it appears to be all metal. Alright. Wow, the clickiness is serious. I like the clickiness. Alright, so this is a wait, let me do this how they write it. rOtring, a rOtring Rapid Pro ballpoint. And alright. So it's got a pretty serious clip here that is removable. Looks like. Looks like it's removable. I think I just unscrewed something. Felt like I unscrewed something at the top. Alright, well, let's take this out. Alright, so that part is plastic right here. And it looks to take a standard Parker Jotter refill, I think. Let's do a quick test with a Parker Jotter refill. Alright. So, yep, they seem to be about the same. Let's try it out. So if this works, you can load up your rOtring Rapid Pro, rOtring Rapid Pro with Monteverdi black refill. Alright, so that works no problems. So with this pen being able to use the standard Parker Jotter refills, you have about 1 million options for your choice of refill. If you like the format of the pen, but you don't like the the cartridge that comes with it, you don't like the refill that comes with it. So you can load this up with, you could load it up with one of the Fisher Space Pen refills if you really wanted to. I mean, you can pretty much load it up with anything. So the thing that concerns me is this plastic piece right here. I mean, this is a solid pen. It has decent weight to it, but I think that you'd break it right here if you broke it. So let me see what's going on with this. I felt like I could unscrew that. Oh, you can unscrew that. This seems like a recipe for disaster. Let's see. I get the distinct impression that as I keep unscrewing this, there's going to be a point where we all hear like a sproing noise, and this pen's going to fall apart in my hands. In which case, well, you'll get to watch me try and put it together with a pair of gloves on. But let's see. Okay. So that's kind of cool. So that's the inner workings there. Looks like brass. So that's cool. It doesn't even remotely feel like a cheap pen. I'm going to need to do something about that. I don't know. Doesn't seem like... Oh. I see. By the way, I don't know if you noticed what was happening or not. This was about to turn into a comedy video, because every time I did that, this part would slide up. So, hold here, and then twist. I figured that out relatively quickly. I'm kind of happy about that. Alright. This is a cool pen. Alright. So, it's a very solid feeling pen. It's also one of those pens that I think you could get away with it carrying it in a lot of different places. Like, you could carry it when you're wearing a suit, or you could carry it, you know, when you're not wearing a suit. So it definitely feels like you have some choices with this. And it's a pretty good looking pen. It kind of has an engineered look to it. And you have the knurling here for the grip. Cool pen. Anyway, let me know what you... I'll include a link for this in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do y'all like this pen? Do you think there's a better one out there? Do you have a favorite refill you use with it? That's an important question. Anyway, let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.